Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the login process for the Sony Entertainment Network, SEN, using the website id.sonyentertainmentnetwork.com. Whether you're trying to access your PlayStation Network account or any other services linked to Sony, this step-by-step tutorial will help you navigate the login process smoothly. Step 1. Access the login page. Open your web browser and go to the official Sony Entertainment Network login page. Type in the URL id.sonyentertainmentnetwork.com and hit Enter. Step 2. Enter your email address. Once you reach the login page, you will see fields for your credentials. Start by entering the email address associated with your Sony account. Ensure that there are no typos, as this will affect your ability to log in. Step 3. Input your password. Next, you will need to enter your password. Type it carefully and verify that the caps lock key is not accidentally enabled. If you're unsure about your password, you can use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 4. Stay signed in, optional. If you are using a personal computer and would like to stay signed in for future visits, you can check the box labeled Stay Signed In. This saves you time for subsequent logins. Be cautious with this option on public or shared devices. Step 5. Click the Login button. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In or Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Step 7. Contact support, if necessary. If you're still having trouble logging in after following these steps, you may want to contact Sony's customer support for further assistance. They can help resolve any account-related issues you may be facing. Thank you for watching our login help guide for Sony Entertainment Network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.